Hi everyone, so I just got this brand new Old Town Sportsman 120 EPDL Pro and I got it set up here on my trailer in the backyard. I haven't taken it out on the water yet, but I want to show you what it looks like and share my first thoughts. There is a lot of cool stuff going on here. This is my first time owning a kayak like this. It's part of the new 2025 Pro Series from Old Town. What caught my eye was the mix of design, comfort and the new EPDL Plus system that's over here behind me. It looks like something built for real adventure and I just can't wait to try it on the water. The Pro models, both the PDL and the EPDL, are fully redesigned for serious anglers. The cockpit space is massive, the storage is next level and the comfort for long days on the water is unmatched. The massive storage on the front. This was the first reason why I chose this kayak, because on the old version it was the small space here. Also, like you see, if you move the seat all the way to the back, it's a lot of space here as well. And on the back side it's a lot of space. Plus we have this small storage, so you can keep even some small batteries there for the back accessories. So in this new model it's a lot of space. Standing in this kayak feels stable and secure. The lower profile gunnels and added gear tracks give me more room to cast, or for example switch rods or land a fish without feeling cramped. They add 150 inches of tracks, 2 shallow water anchors on the back, and pre-installed thoughtful wiring ports over here on the back over there and on the sides and over here on front, which makes rigging up sonar or lights or motor completely drill free. So you can easily install the nice space for the trolling motor and also pre-drilled hole all over here on the back. We have holes on the sides, on each side. The seat, I don't know how it's good or no, because I didn't check it for a long time, but it looks good. I see it and it's very comfortable. We'll see how it will be on the water and during the fishing. We have this handle that you can use it for this purpose. Also we hear some access if you gonna do the wiring, so you can access to inside of the boat. Next, here we have some storage, good to have from this side and also from other side. Some waterproof storage over here, where is your EPDL motor is. It's even waterproof, I believe. And of course the horizontal rod storage. So you can keep 4 rods here. 2 from one side, 2 from other side. And also 4 vertical rod holders. But as I see many people using just some rod holders on the track. So I think the very good and nice improvement in these tracks. What I need at this kayak, so I need the handle somewhere here, because even I have a trailer, it's very hard to place it on a trailer, but because this kayak weighs more than 200 pounds and it's nice to have this handle here. Nice to have handle over here, but we don't have it. So Old Town next time add some handle here. And on the side we have this clamp storage for the pedal. And one more thing about the seat. So this seat is adjustable. You can unscrew this, and just move it back forward. And of course on the front, a lot of tracks, and even the front handle with the tracks. Over here we can install even 2 shallow water anchor, or you can install some trolling motors, for example. I will try install in front and on the back, we'll see. And for the EPDL Plus user like me, you get the pedal assistant and cruise control with a pre-wired system with kill switch, which is over here. I have it over here, so you can connect to yourself and not lose your kayak when it's working. And a powerful 36 battery, so it's like that, it's not very heavy. Basically it has the handle, I already connected the wires. So this battery goes over here under the seat, there is small hatch or small storage, so it's go over there. It's not very heavy, yeah. And it also has the charger, you don't need the bike charger separately. So the Old Town says on maximum speed on 5 you can run up to 3 hours. So this is Old Town says. We will check if it's true or no when we go on the water. And on the medium settings it can be around 8 hours, around setting 3, and on the setting 1, on the lowest one, it's more than 20 hours or even more than 24 hours, so we will check. So this is basically a small battery, but it's 36 volts, 20. This is the storage for the battery. You have some straps here, you can secure your battery. So we take our battery, it goes inside. Then you have this wire and connect to this plug over here. Then just clip it this and tighten it, so your battery stay inside. Just moving a little bit, but it's okay. Also we have another wire on front, so it goes over here and over here. And the kill switch, it goes over here. Now we can start the boat. Press plus, 0, can go 1, 2, example cruise. Now we need more pedals. They even included a dedicated mount for the battery box in the stern, perfectly balanced when you add a bow motor like a Minn Kota. Everything just works together. Also, Old Town add 2 exclusive colors this year. It's Sierra, like you see over here. I have the Sierra, and the Storm, it's blue one. And I have just gotta say, it looks just as good on the trailers as it does on the water. So if you are thinking of upgrading or investing in a serious kayak setup, the Old Town Sportsman EPDL Pro 120 Sierra model are where it's at. Thank you for checking it out in my backyard, and I'll see you on the water.